Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're returning. My name is Tyra and this is Maureen's Home Expressions. So as you can see, we are putting away foam and I'm so excited about it, even though I hate to see it go because I did love it so much. The chocolate theme was just so gorgeous to me, cozied up the home, but we are putting it away to make room for Christmas, and I'm so excited about that. Um, this portion of the video was recorded um, prior to the whole house getting sick. We all ended up getting sick. This was recorded on December the 2nd, and nothing was able to get done for like a week or two after that. But we are back in effect and moving forward. So, if you guys don't know, Christmas is my favorite time of year. And because not only is it Christmas and I love Christmas, but it is my birthday. And fun fact about me and my siblings, well, a couple of my siblings, is that three of us, no, excuse me, four of us were supposed to be born on Christmas. But I was the only one to make it. I was the first. Then my sister was supposed to be born on Christmas. She ended up being born early, so she's Christmas Eve. Then our brother was supposed to be born on Christmas. He was born on January the 2nd. Then my younger brother was supposed to be born on Christmas. He was born on January 4th. January 1st. And so we were all supposed to be born on Christmas. I was the only one that made it. So needless to say, Christmas in our home has always been a big thing. And the holidays were birthdays, holiday combinations. So that's just a fun fact about my family that I wanted to share. As you can see, we are already cleaning the space, getting the floors cleaned up, bringing in new items. So we do have a new rug here, as you can see. I do still need to get the mats for underneath the rugs, but I didn't want to take away from the budget in order to get the mats right now, but they are underway and they are needed. So yeah, I just want to put that in there. They will be coming. The rug does have those lumps in it because I had already had the rug out, looking at it, wanting to see how it was going to fit in the space. And I did get the lumps out with using books and other things to flatten it down. And so now we're moving to the living room, sweeping it up, getting the debris out of there. And we also have curtains. Didn't show me taking down the curtains because I had already done it without thinking to record. But yeah, we do have new curtains. And just so you know, like the curtains and the rugs are part of my everyday decor going forward for a while. So I just wanted to mention that this is not just for Christmas. Those decor items, those are going to be every day, but they fall right in line with how I wanted the home to look and feel for this year for the holidays. So I'm rearranging the living room because I really like how the house feels when I change it this way for the holidays. I've been doing this for the past 3 Christmases, and I just love the area where I put the tree when I have it this way. And so I'm not going to talk going forward into the Christmas portion of the video. I just want you guys to be able to relax and watch it and enjoy. So I want to go ahead and say now, Merry, 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 Merry Christmas and a happier New Year.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves leaves are so unchanging, not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday, it's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Make
the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's